In today's video, I'm going to show you how to spruce up your home for Valentine's Day and just make it look a little bit more festive. You know, hearts all over. So in this video, I have two really awesome picture frame DIYs along with the beautiful Tulle Wreath that you see right here. Oh, and if you guys have a sweet tooth, this is actually a collab video that I am doing with Jen from Miss Jen Fabulous. She does a lot of pretty nail art tutorials and beauty videos, but in today's video, she's doing some really cute Valentine's Day treats. So after you're done watching this video, go on over to her channel and subscribe to see a ton of awesome videos from her. Now it is time to get into the Decor DIY. Yeah, you. Right there. For the first decor project, I'm using picture frames, patterned scrapbook paper, and punch-out letters. Since love is in the air, I'm going to display that in these picture frames. I'm using scrapbook adhesive to attach each letter to the pieces of paper that are cut to fit inside the frames. And to make the letters pop a little bit more against the background, I am outlining them all in black carefully. The letters into the frames one at a time and your first piece of artwork is done. This would actually be cool to leave up year round. This second piece of art is actually something I've been wanting to try for a while. It's very Pinteresty, and I've seen a lot of pictures on Google Images and Pinterest of similar things. But this is basically putting the alphabet on a piece of paper and emphasizing the I heart you or IOU for I love you. Yeah, I am explaining that way too much, but basically I am using my cutting board and some string and tape to make a little grid so I can really measure this out and make it look nice and precise. And if you don't want to use stickers, you can of course write out the letters all by yourself. Again, something that you could leave up year-round because it's a very subtle Valentine's Day reference. Out with the winter stuff and in with the hearts. For the third project, I'm using some tulle, an embroidery hoop, and a pair of scissors. Cut a piece of tulle to your desired length, fold it in half so that the ends meet, and then you're going to stick your fingers in the loop and just pull the two ends through that while placing it around the embroidery hoop. It is going to form a slip knot, and then you're going to do this with a ton more pieces. I think I used about 80 to make this little tiny wreath. And when you're finished cutting and tying all your pieces of tulle, then you can decorate. So I used E6000 glue, which is super strong, and I just placed some fabric flowers and pearls along with some foam heart stickers. Some other minor decorations, I'm going to replace my chip clips. I'm going to update my paper plate collection. And I'm also going to switch out this snowflake hand towel for the hearts and a cupcake one. To finish decorating, I'm placing these mason jar valentines that I showed in last week's DIY, and I'm also hanging up my duct tape garland from a DIY I did last Valentine's Day. And then I am taping some ornaments, sparkly ones that I got from Hobby Lobby. And that's pretty much it, aside from the octopus card and the picture of Craig and I. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope that you enjoyed these DIY Valentine's Day decor projects. I think that they'll make your house look way more lovey-dovey and stuff. I don't know, I have no description except that they'll make a great addition to any room in your house. And pretty please don't forget to check out the DIY Valentine's Day treats over on Jen's channel. She always puts out the cutest videos, so you will not be disappointed. If you've never heard of her before, go check her out. And finally, I just want to say that on my channel, SoCraftastic, I put out a new video every single Friday. Check out all my links in the description box below, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. See you soon in my next video. Bye. For your home, for your room, for anywhere you want. I get into the decor DIY. Why do I do these weird hand motions? Like touchdown, and I don't want football. They're just cute, okay? Makes it pretty. What is this? Attractive look. Hey guys. Oh, I'm falling. I almost tripped on some paper. Why did you fall? This is turning into a mess. I have to go. Good day. I just watched back my intro and there was a hair loop just kind of chilling. Like there should have been like an ornament hook in my hat or something. This is me personally saying that I am not refilming my intro, just so you guys don't make fun of that. So go ahead, post as many screenshots of my unfortunate hair trauma as you want, because it is what it is. I really need a camera person, please, to help me when those things happen, because I can't tell in the little camera lens guy screen.